Welcome to the channel, everyone, and today we're looking to put the logo of DaVinci Resolve on this zebra. So what you do first, bring your clip onto your timeline, you right click and you create a new Fusion clip, and then you head off to Fusion, and in Fusion you can either right click, add tool, come down to tracking and add surface tracking, or you could just highlight your media and press shift space and it'll bring it up, type it in and just add that. It'll put it straight in your line for you. Alright, let's get rid of this one, and once you've got that, you go into your subject and you put your points in of where you want the image to be, and then you track forward. But before I press track, I'll just let you know that I've got it on faster just to make this tutorial quick, and you can either pick better or faster depending on your computer and how well it can handle it, but in this case we'll just leave it on faster and press track forward. Let it do its thing, and just be patient and wait till it finishes. Okay, so once that's finished, bring in your image, drop it into your media here, and you attach it to your surface tracker, and there's your image right there. Let's bring him to the start and let's view this one. So it's tracked it pretty well, and mind you, that was on faster as well, so it's turned out pretty good. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you on the next one real soon.